How does a university celebrate diversity through its events?
SGVU basically there is no relation with any of the religion here. Everyone is welcomed.
What do you think if a visitor is coming to Suresh Ganviar University? What the first thing they noticed? What do you think?
Green Lush campus. That is
that's
very very nice.
true. What's the first word that comes in your mind when you think about Suresh Ganviar University?
Excellence.
Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another series of this beautiful podcast named SGVU Spotlight Inspiring Journeys. So today we have with us very talented guest. Her name is Kanika Nagpal, Assistant Professor, School of Law at Suresh Gyan Vihar University. Hello Kanika, how are
Hello
you?
Tamanna.
Thank you so very much for doing this, and it's very interesting that we are doing this podcast together. Thank you so very much for that.
I'm very glad that I'm here today representing School of Law as well.
लवली मुझे स्कूल ऑफ लॉ काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो मूड कोर्ट का सेटअप है दैट्स द क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट और जिस तरह से सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ टीचर का एक बॉन्डिंग देखने को मिलता है बिकॉज आई हैव बिन टू दैट स्कूल ऑफ लॉ डिपार्टमेंट आई वाज विजिटिंग देयर सो आई फेल्ट वेरी ग्रेट
It is actually
हाँ
interesting as well,
एब्सोल्युटली
presenting and representing the things in court.
या क्योंकि रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपोजर जब तक आपको लीगल वर्ल्ड में नहीं मिलता है आप किसी भी तरह से इस फील्ड में आगे नहीं जा
Yes, ma'am,
सकते
absolutely right.
Yeah. So, before we start with the podcast, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे वही है that do you feel the curriculum balances theory and practical knowledge well? जब भी हम law की बात करते हैं, it's all about how you are going to present yourself in front of the judge, in front of the entire courtroom. So, what do you want to say on that?
Actually not only curricular is sufficient for the things, we also need the practical knowledge. In law basically all things is depend on practical knowledge. SGVU basically provides moot court facilities. Along with it, visits are being conducted by School of Law so that students can boost and take participate and be a active advocate at first only so that problem cannot be created last
तो आप डे
steps.
वन से ही प्रिपेयर करना शुरू कर
Yes,
देते हैं
ma'am.
बच्चों को दैट्स ग्रेट और जहाँ तक रही बात इंडस्ट्री अलाइंड करिकुलम की या फिर जैसे तरह से अभी बाहर क्योंकि हर दिन नया लॉ आता रहता है हर
Yes.
दिन हम लोग नई चीज़ें सीखते रहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप स्टूडेंट्स को कैसे तैयार
We have
करते हैं
legal aid clinics,
ओके
legal visits also, so that we can boost up them with the new things happening around. We take them to the court visits also
वाओ
so that they can present it in real life as well.
लवली
Along with it, we take presentations on recent topics, moot
Wow.
courts and other activities involves Wednesday activities. Basically Wednesday is assigned for activities
ओह
which includes every activity. For example, like extempore, we are giving them on the spot topics so
Lovely.
that they can present it and represent School of Law.
दैट्स अमेजिंग दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट
Yes.
क्योंकि जहाँ तक भी लॉ की बात होती है हमेशा इन चीज़ों पे बहुत फोकस करना ज़रूरी होता है चाहे वो प्रेजेंटेशन हो चाहे वो डिबेटेबल स्किल्स हो which is very important in a lawyer's journey I would say.
Yes, we do enjoy the same with the students because we can also learn from them.
Yeah, absolutely. Because this particular generation might lag behind in certain way, but they are very creative. Their learning abilities are like 100x, I would
Yes.
say. So, thank you so very much for this interesting answer. And one event of Suresh Ganviar University, students should definitely attend.
It is exuberance, which
Wow.
is event fulfilled with all the fun activities, cultural activities, fest involving every talent the student have.
Now,
While we talk about boys, then it has slow riding, bike ridings, and other activities that boost their growth as well and interesting too. We as
Yeah.
a teacher also enjoy to see our talent of the hidden talent of the student.
absolutely.
Yes.
You must be very proud by seeing these students.
Yes.
And I think these activities are indeed very important when it comes to their overall growth.
Yes. These are must.
These are must, absolutely. And how does a university celebrate diversity through its events? Because I have seen the campus, I have been to the campus a couple of times, and I have seen that यहाँ पे जितने भी students हैं, they are coming from different background, different cultures. So how this particular university celebrate diversity through its events particularly?
SGVU basically there is no relation with any of the religion here. Everyone is welcomed,
Yeah.
right? For like we have majority student from Bihar.
Mhm.
Their Chhat Puja is there.
Yeah.
So here also we used to celebrate their functions to
Oh,
enrich
lovely.
and make a situation eco-friendly for all the participants as well as students, so
Lovely.
that they can enjoy the same. Else we also have other technical fest
Mhm.
along with it, and educational fest along with it, so that they can be more participating as well in this also.
That's very very interesting and I think that's important too क्योंकि अगर एक स्टूडेंट कहीं बाहर से आता है और यहाँ पर अपने अपने कल्चर को देखता है so it feels very very connected
Yes.
and at the same time environment जो मिलता है जो भी आसपास के लोगों से जानने को और उनके कल्चर को सेलिब्रेट करने को मिलता है that's great I guess.
Because every student is connected here in hostels, so
Yeah.
at evening time they used to enjoy Christmas as well, and in fact Diwali as well.
That's amazing and I think
Yes.
that's the best part of
Best
Suresh
part
Ganvi
of
University. And what do you think if a visitor is coming to Suresh Ganvi University, what the first thing they noticed? What do you think?
Green Lush campus.
Ah,
That is
that's true.
very very nice.
That's
A
true.
relaxing sort of relaxing kind
Yeah.
of. Yes. Apart from this, security system is also nice. In
Yeah.
fact, for the faculties also it is very nice.
Lovely.
Yes.
Because I've talked to one of the student and I asked him that why you are here because when I talked to him he's from Manipur, so I asked him that why you are here. So he said that I'm very very connected to the nature
Yes.
and the positive environment I was looking for. And when I was searching the universities, the Suresh Ganviar University was the first choice for me. And when I entered the campus, I saw and roam around. I've realized that I want to get admission here itself. So I think that what you are saying is absolutely true.
Yes. In fact, infrastructure also is very nice.
Yeah.
Capturing it to law, we have moot court, seminar halls, so that student
Yeah.
can present in infrastructure also, well equipped classrooms,
Yeah.
including smart rooms and all the things that keeps motivated student to come there.
Absolutely. And that's important too,
Yes.
because if you want to build interest in students' life and students' journey, you have to give him all the facilities, which is very,
Yes.
very necessary for their career, I would say.
Yes.
So, another, but last but not the least, this particular question is that what's the first word that comes in your mind when you think about Suresh Gyan Vihar University?
Excellence.
Oh wow! Why is it so? If I may
Because everything here is excellence.
ask.
While we talk about infrastructure, facilities, education, everything is up to the mark.
Yeah. And one thing I would like to add in here that even the higher authorities are very well connected with the students. I've never
Yes.
seen that. They know each and every student's name. That's very, very interesting. And I think that's important too if you want to connect with the students. What do you say?
Yes. In fact, we are connected with the parents too.
Oh, wow. That's important. So, all
yes.
the parents, if you are listening to this, then you know that where you have to go.
Yes. It means your child is in safe hands. If
Absolutely.
you will go for SGView, then it's very safe.
So, thank you so very much for doing this with us. And I think this particular podcast was very, very interesting because we talked about events, which is my favorite part when I was studying in my university. So, event was one thing which I was always look up to. So, thank you so very much for sharing all this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am also glad that I'm here today.
Thank you
I
so
also
very much.
enjoyed it.
All the viewers who are watching us live right now through this podcast, I would say that if you are looking for a perfect university which blends academics, extracurricular activity, and your career goals, then Suresh Gyan Vihar University is a one-stop solution for you all. So you don't have to look any further. Admissions are now open for the current batch. And for this particular podcast series, you will be getting more episodes. So stay tuned with us and we'll see you very, very soon.